In this section, we are focused on still on logarithmic equations. However, on this one, we only have one logarithm, so we have to solve it a different way since we don't have a logarithm on both sides of the equation. So we'll do number 36 together. So the goal is we want to get the logarithm by itself. And let me circle what the logarithm is. So this is log base 11 of everything inside this parenthesis. Anything outside the box is not a part of the logarithm. So we can just use our regular math that we've been using for a long time to get rid of all of these pieces on the outside, so we can just have the log. So I would first minus 6 from both sides. So then I have negative 2 times my logarithm. That goes to 0, this goes to negative 4. And then I have negative 2 times my logarithm. So since it's being multiplied, I divide to get rid of the negative 2. So those go away. I go to 1. So now I'm just left with my logarithm. And dividing that, I get positive 2. So now I only have one logarithm left, so I can't cancel it. So now I have to switch the form. That's the only way for me to get rid of this logarithm. So starting with the base, I make a circle to the other side and back. So when I rewrite this, it's not going to be a log form, it's going to be an exponential form. So I'm going to have an exponent. So again, starting with 11, and I'll move it over here. So it becomes 11, and then follow the arrow to the second power, that's the next number that I pass, equals this stuff at the end. 11 to the second power equals negative 3r minus 7. So, and then we just solve this equation. 11 squared is 121. So now I'm just solving this equation for r. So just doing it like normal. So I add 7 to both sides. Equals negative 3r. Divide both sides by negative 3. And that doesn't divide evenly either, so I'm just going to leave it, and it doesn't reduce, so I'm just going to leave it as a fraction. Okay, again, I have to make sure when I plug it in, it doesn't give me a negative number or a 0 on the inside, so let me check that real fast. So negative 3 times 128 over 3 gives me positive 128 minus 7. That's definitely going to be a positive number. So since I get a positive number on the inside, then check, that is my answer.